Hi there, my name is Hannah and I'll be guiding you through a short meditation for beginners. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, and when you're ready, gently closing the eyes. Take a deep breath, and on the next inhale, hold your breath at the top for a moment and then release. Check in with your body. Perhaps noticing where you may be carrying any tension. You might like to direct your breath to these areas, or perhaps just becoming aware of the tension and gently asking it to release. Maybe taking a moment now to observe any thoughts that you may have, knowing it's very normal for thoughts to arise. Trying not to judge the thoughts, simply observing. And perhaps now noticing any feelings or emotions that may have arisen. Again, trying not to judge yourself for whatever you're feeling. Allowing any emotions that need to come up to be there. And just trying to observe them without judgment. I invite you now to check in with your breath, perhaps noticing what it feels like to breathe. You may even like to compare your inhale and your exhale, knowing you always have the choice to just be still, noticing what it feels like to simply do less. I invite you now to tune into any sensations you may be feeling in your body. Perhaps you can notice the energy circling your body. Or you may not notice any sensations. That's okay too. Perhaps checking in with our breath once again. And as we draw to the end of our meditation, I invite you to think of someone or something that you're truly grateful for. This could be a person that you love, or maybe a favorite place or a memory. Taking a moment to sit with the feeling of love and gratitude. And now maybe sending some of that loving kindness back to ourselves. Thanking ourselves for taking this time out of our day to slow down and do less. You may like to check in with your breath once more, perhaps noticing how it feels. Noticing the natural rhythm of the breath. And when you're ready, opening your eyes and coming back to the space. Thank you so much for being here. I really hope this meditation was helpful. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.